Welcome to GamingGranny's channel. This is GamingGranny. Come on into my humble kitchen. Today we're getting ready to make a recipe from Fallout 76. We are going to make Dilbert Winter's Appalachian chili.
Today we're here in Flatwoods, right beside Flatwoods Tavern and the church. And if you go over here to this house, on this shelf you will find a recipe for Dilbert's Appalachian chili.
This is granny style. The first thing I did is I mixed up my own seasoning, chili seasoning. I put a generous portion of chili powder, oregano, basil, a big tablespoon of cumin, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. Then we have some chopped garlic, chopped onions, chopped green chives, chopped red, yellow, and green peppers, and tomato paste, diced tomatoes, and our kidney beans. I soaked these overnight. They were the ones in the dried kidney beans in the bag, and you can also use canned if you would like. This is maybe 2 pounds of red kidney beans. So let's get started. We're going to turn on our pot. Once the pan is a little bit warm in the bottom, we'll add a couple spoons of olive oil. Make sure that is nice and hot. We're going to add our chopped onions. Okay, give those a good stir. And then we're going to add our chopped garlic. Once the onions are browned a little bit, we will add our peppers. Peppers have a lot of water in them, so we want the onions to be browned before we put in the bell peppers. This recipe also calls for about a pound of ground beef. I am not adding the ground beef as my grandchildren will not eat it if it has ground beef in it. So this is going to be more a vegetarian chili. If you were adding the ground beef, I would add it now and brown the ground beef and drain off any extra fat. We're adding our kidney beans. Lovely red kidney beans. And then we'll add 2 2.5 cups there of diced tomatoes. Okay, and then we'll add our chili seasoning. Lots of good chili powder. 2 cups of water. In Dilbert's recipe, he calls for some cleaned up rainwater. We prefer to use filtered water. And now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste to thicken it up. Now we put a lid on and let it simmer until the beans are tender. We'll be back in a few minutes. We are back. And let's see how our chili came out. Ourselves a nice portion. Ah, it smells lovely. That is our chili. We will add a little bit of cheese on the top. And we'll serve it with some saltine crackers.
Thank you for visiting Gaming Granny's channel. This is Gaming Granny saying bye for now.